In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to hide your IP address on Messenger. This is important for protecting your privacy and security. Your IP address can reveal your general location and internet service provider, which could be exploited by hackers, trackers, or even malicious individuals to monitor your online activity or attempt cyberattacks. To do this, simply head to Messenger. You want to tap right here on the menu button at your bottom right. Here, head to Settings. On the Settings page, select onto this option of Privacy and Safety. You will then navigate to the last option of Protect IP Address. You just want to turn on this option, and for whoever interacts with you on Messenger, through calls or messages, they won't be able to see your IP address in case they try to access it. Well, that's how easy it is to hide your Messenger IP address. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.